What's up, Skeeter Squad? Just so you know, that's what you're going to be known as from now on, because we have a buddy.
I'm not here.
He's not here, named Dalton, that we work with, who thinks our channel name should be Skeeter Squad, but, you know, yeah. But we have to incorporate it somehow or else he'll get his feelings hurt.
Yeah.
Okay, well, anyways, this is a video showcasing my beautiful 2005 R1 with a, I don't know if you can see it, full system Yoshimura exhaust. Yeah, I got some raw sound. I did the best that I could with what I had. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so I hope that you enjoy the video, and all of the music was done by our buddy Emilio, and he has a SoundCloud account linked there.
Wrong corner.
There. Okay. Right there. Right there. Yeah, his name's Milo. He's gonna be dropping an EP soon, whatever the fuck that means. Do you know? Not sure. Did he reply yet?
No.
You like this trash can right here? You like this trash can? You like this trash can right here? He didn't reply?
Same thing.
In other words, yeah.
Same thing.
As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want. Help us out. Enjoy.
Bye.